Well, good morning, drivers. I have something for you, but we got to wait 15 minutes on this thing. So, I seen these around the truck stop. They're around $12. So I figured, let's do a YouTube video on the COVID test. Okay, open this packet up. See that hole there? You put that in there, peel, this has a seal on it, peel the seal off, open the swab up, 5 swirls, put it in there for 30 seconds, twist, then you squeeze it 5 times, going by what direction said. Then after you do that, open that up. That has your test in it. Flip the little top on the topper. Flip the top on the topper. Put 4 drops of the solution in it. I went by the thing there. Then we wait 15 minutes. So that's where we're at. All right, come back in a minute and let's see what's going on. Well, we're back 15 minutes later. No gray lines, no nothing. So if you ever wondered about those, I mean, I tried it. Wash your hands good. Come with plenty of directions. Oh, excuse me. Let's move on down the road now. Oh yeah. I got some of them little ham slices and boiled eggs. McDonald's. Don't know what's going on down there. Catch up with you later.